Well, hello dear viewers, James Braithwaite here, and here I am in Longsight again, looking at an 04 plate LTI TX4, specifically my LTI 04 plate TX4. I've just paid a deposit on it. It's my vehicle for my auto run for autism, one hopes. I just have to pick it up, borrow the trade plate from work, and see how it fares. It'll be easy to get through an MOT for a private vehicle as opposed to a minicab, but this one's had the sills all done, and aside from the tyres, it's pretty much rip-roaring ready to go. I can buff the bodywork up myself perfectly. So, I mean, that taxi thing will have to come off, but other than that. Anyway, this is going to be fun. It's happening. Manchester to Malmo is on its way. Okay, one last look, and I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.